Hello and welcome everybody. I am Ghulam Hassan. I'm going to tell you how to plotting the polar curves, all the polar curves. The procedure which I'm telling you is applicable for plotting all the polar curves. So I'm plotting the polar curves in two stages and with the help of Wolfram Mathematica. You can make use of Mathematica, MATLAB, Scilab, or anyone. But I would like to plot with the help of Wolfram Mathematica. So first I consider an equation R equals 1 plus cos theta or t. No problem. You can consider theta or t. So first I need to check the axis of symmetric. So for checking the axis of symmetric, first I will replace in place of theta minus theta. So I will be getting R equals 1 plus cos of minus theta. So cos of minus theta is a formula. What is the cos of R equals 1 plus cos of minus theta is nothing but cos theta. So I will be getting cos of theta. So see, if we compare this equation and the first equation, there is no difference between this equation. This equation is R equals 1 plus cos theta, and the given equation is R equals 1 plus cos theta. There is no difference between these two. So the result is like this. It is symmetric about the x-axis. So the next step I will check in this one whether it is symmetric about the y-axis or no. So for checking whether it is symmetric about y-axis or no, I will be writing like this: R equals 1 plus cos of, in place of theta I will be writing pi minus theta. This pi minus theta is the procedure for all the polar curves. What I will be getting, R equals cos of pi minus theta is but nothing but minus cos theta. So I will be getting 1 minus cos of theta. So if I compare this equation with the first equation, my first equation is 1 plus cos theta, and the resulting equation which I have got is 1 minus cos theta. There is a difference between these two. So what I summarize it, I will write it is not symmetric about the y-axis. So then the last stage step in this in the first stage, what I will have to do, I will check whether it is symmetric about the origin or no. I will be writing like this: R equals 1 plus cos of, in place of theta I will substitute pi plus theta. So this equation cos of pi plus theta is nothing but minus. Actually that's a formula. So I will be getting R equal 1 minus cos of theta. So it is not symmetric about the origin also, because there is a difference between the first equation and the resulting equation. So in the last step I will write it is not symmetric about the origin also. So this the first stage is completed. I came to know it is symmetric only about the x-axis. For the next step, what I consider a table. So the number of column I need 2. The number of rows I need around 10 columns, 10 rows. So for the next one, what I will have to do, I will give some values for theta, and I calculate the I calculate the R. value, then I will plot the graph. So this step here I'm having theta, and here I have the value of r equals 1 plus cos of theta. So first one I'm giving the first value is 0. So what I will be getting 1 plus cos 0. Cos 0 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. The next step I will be giving, for example, pi by how much? For example, pi by 6 or 30 degree I'm giving. So I need to know what is the value of 1 plus cos. So I will calculate like this: n of 1 plus cos of pi by 6. So the result will 1.866. I will be writing here 1.866. The next step I will be giving, for example, pi by 3. So if I give pi by 3, cos pi by 3 is how much? 0.5 plus 1 is 1.5. So the next one I will be giving, for example, pi by 2. So if I give pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0. 0 plus 1 is how much? I will be getting 1. The next value I will be giving 120 degree or 2 pi by 3. So I will be giving 2 pi by 3. So if I get 2 pi by 3, so 2 pi by 3, I can calculate here 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. So what I will be getting 0.5. I've got 0.5. The next one I will be giving, for example, 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. So 5 pi by 6, if or 150, I will be giving here 5 pi by 6. So how much is the result? The result will be 0.1339. I will be writing 0.1339. So 0.1339, yeah, that's enough. The next step, for example, I will be giving 180 here. If I give 180 is nothing but pi. If I give the value of pi, then this will become 0, because cos pi is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. The next one I will be giving some more bigger value, for example 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 or 270. If I give cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. And the last one what I'm giving here, I will be giving, for example, 2 pi. If I give 2 pi, then again I will be getting 2, because cos 2 pi is 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 1 plus 1 is 2. So here I will plot the graph. So first I will type the equation cos of either I can give for example theta, or here I will write theta, or t I will write, no problem, or I will give theta, yeah. So I need to choose from here theta, yeah. So cos theta, and the value of theta is nothing but theta, comma 0, comma 0, comma. So here I will leave like blank, and I will choose a name also for this one, like detail. So for example, I consider I give all the whatever values which I've got from here, from there. For example, 0. If I give 0, then I will be getting. So this is for my 0. The next one I will be giving, for example, pi by 6. So after giving pi by 6, I will be getting like this kind of graph. If I give for example pi by 3, so pi by 3 I will be getting little bigger graph. So if I give for example pi by 2 or 90 degree, the next value is 90 or pi by 2. After giving 90 degree or pi by 2, I will be getting like this kind of graph. The next one I will be, for example, 2 pi by 3 or 120. So this is the value of 2 pi by 3. So the next value, for example, 5 pi by 6. This is the value of 5 pi by 6. The next value, for example, I will be giving only pi. So for giving pi is easy one. So I will be getting a graph like this. For the next one, after pi, for example, if I give 3 pi by 2, so 3 pi by 2, what I have got is like this. It is still incomplete. So if I give the value of 2 pi, then I will be getting a graph like this. So this is the general way that you can plot the polar graph in the 2 stages. The first stage you have to check or you need to check the axis of symmetric. After checking the axis of symmetric, so see what I have got it is the graph is symmetric about the x-axis. It is symmetric about the x-axis, which means the graph lie on the x-axis. If you see the resulting equation, see the graph is completely lied on the x-axis. It is neither symmetric about the y-axis nor symmetric about the origin. Thanks for watching.